Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here, it's because you care about your skin.
And who doesn't want flawless,
Glowing skin.
right?
But hold on.
You might be making some big mistakes in your skincare routine that are holding you back.
Don't worry, we have all been there. Today, I am uncovering the top 10 skincare mistakes that could be sabotaging your progress and keeping you from the glow you deserve. And of course, I'll be showing you how to fix them, so you can stop wasting time and money. Let's start with the most common mistake. Over-exfoliating. Scrubbing your face too often or using harsh exfoliators can actually damage your skin barrier.
You want baby soft skin, not irritation, right?
The fix. Stick to exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week,
Using gentle products, especially if you have sensitive skin. Less is more when it comes to exfoliation.
Trust me. Your skin will thank you. Oh, this next one I see all the time. Skipping sunscreen. Yes, even if you're inside or it's cloudy. Ultraviolet rays are sneaky and they don't care if you're not at the beach. Make sure to apply a broad spectrum SPF everyday, rain and shine, and if you think SPF in your makeup is enough, well, I am here to break the bad news, it's not. Mistake number 3, using too many products. Now let's talk about skincare overload. You know who you are using 10 different serums and creams every night, hoping for a miracle. More products don't equal better skin, my friends. Simplify your routine and let your skin breathe. Start with a solid cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Build slowly as your skin adjusts. Mistake number 4, sleeping with makeup on. Okay, this one is a crime against skincare. Sleeping with makeup on. You know it's bad, but sometimes you're just too tired, right? Even on those lazy nights, keep makeup wipes by your bed for a quick cleanse before crashing. Your pores will stay clear and happy. Not drinking enough water. Did you know one of the easiest ways to improve your skin has nothing to do with fancy products? It's simple as drinking water. Hydrate from the inside out. Water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin plump. Try drinking at least 8 glasses a day and watch the magic happen. Mistake number 6, ignoring your neck and hands. You are slathering your face with anti-aging creams, but what about your neck? Your hands? These are the spots that show aging the fastest. Extend your skincare routine to these often neglected areas. And trust me, future will be grateful. So there you have it, 10 common skincare mistakes. But the good news is they are all flexible. Which mistakes are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more skincare goodness coming your way. Before you go, hit that like button if you want to see your skin glowing by next week. And as always, remember to love the skin you're in. Until next time, stay glowing.